I'm Nick with STEALTHPOD X. We're here at the Sheep Show in Reno, Nevada. I just want to give you a quick demo video on how to assemble your STEALTHPOD once you get it. Now, this is the full system, so if you didn't get the full system, you won't have all this in your pack. If you did, this is what you're going to see. Now you got two different legs. Each leg has three sections. You have your tripod leg, your mono adapting arm, and your two handles. That's the complete system. It's a monopod, bipod, tripod, all in one right in front of you. So what you're going to start doing, you're going to take your leg section, start putting them together. I usually start with the top, attach that to the middle. Get that good and cinched down. Now, this is the top of the handle, the curved part where you rest your rifle. You want to press the spring-loaded button there. Slide that through. Now you can attach your lowers. So now you got one together. Do the same thing with the other. Get the other handle on there. Get the lower. Now I'm set up. Now if you just have the monopod, you're just going to have the one half of the stick and the mono arm. That just goes 180 degrees. Pops in two different connections on either side, and there's your monopod. Now your bipod, you just take these two halves together, 180 degrees, pop together. There's my bipod. Again, take it apart, 180 degrees, and you still have your two trekking poles. Now the tripod leg is the only telescoping leg we have. So you're going to extend it all the way out. Go to your female half there. Again, 180 degrees. Pop that in. Pop that in. There's your tripod.